That's a fire. Now this is like starting to really kick in. Before it was like, psst, oh, I'm wet. Psst. Oh, I've got vapor. Psst. Oh, I've got sap. Now it's like, okay. My knees are starting to sweat. See that sound right there? That's the sound of a happy fire doing its business. That like low roar, kind of like an airplane taking off, except muted. Actually, it actually is almost exactly like the sound of an airplane taking off.
It's the sound of a head being stuck out of a car window.
What? The sound that you hear, or the sound as the driver?
You hear.
I'm always driving, so I can't stick my head out the window. What else is it the sound of? It's the sound of when you're going down the hill on a bike and you're going a little bit too fast and you know you're going to crash.
Yes.
Will you make me another marshmallow?
Put him in there so he's done. I don't like plastic. I think it's fancy to fly.
I heard the story about this family. They didn't know really like their ins from their outs, and they made marshmallows. And the sticks that they picked were poison oak. And it was really a bad scene. Is that my marshmallow or yours?
Well, first I'm going to have a marshmallow for myself.
No, you have to make one for me
And I'm
first.
gonna make one for you.
No, you should make one for me first.
I need energy in order to make you a marshmallow.
Oh, come on. What kind of chivalry is that? Didn't you learn anything in LARPing? Is there no chivalry? I can't believe you're eating a marshmallow before you made one for me. That's really not chivalrous, dude. Oh my god, this fire is so hot, I have to back up. Son of a bitch. Shit, I knocked over something. What did I knock over? Chocolate. Shovel. Oh my god, it's really hot. You know how I like them. Ooh. I don't like them carbonized. I like them like puffy. Just puff them up on each side and don't burn it. This fire is like really hot. I have to take my socks off. It's so hot. See, here's my foot with no socks on. With my cloven, oh my god, I look like I have devil's feet with the fire because it makes the gap between my big toe and the rest of my toes look even bigger. It's genetic, I can't help it. Okay. That looks good. Man, my arm is killing me. I can't wait to go to physical therapy. Thank you. Here's my marshmallow. Yummy, yummy.